right, this is Jeff Stungert. We are here at MCACN at night, Saturday night, November 22nd, 2025, and we are going to do our Mopar shop tour for the evening. We'll take a look at some of the great cars that got unveiled during the day today. Let's take a look. All right, we'll start out with Apex Restorations, who brought in two cars for the film from the Phil Mitchell collection, just completed. They're both an FC7 in violet purple. First one is the 70 GTX. She's equipped with an air grabber, AM/FM radio with rear speaker, sports side stripes, super track pack car, and premium vinyls interior. Again, you can see this is a buddy seat car, but it does have the, I'm not going to get close to this glass, but it does have the pistol grip there sticking out. Again, white stripe, black vinyl top, black interior on this car, and it is a Hemi. And we'll walk over and take a look at this other car from Mr. Mitchell's latest collection stuff. And this is a 71 Cuda with white billboards, white interior, again, console delete with the pistol grip. And again, in the light tonight. Now, this place was absolutely swamped today. There was no way we could have filmed any kind of video earlier in the day today because of just the great crowd they had here. So we'll take a look at the next shop. But this is what Apex had in here for 2025. The crew from Magnum Restorations brought in Bob Jennings' well-known Alaskan travel Superbird, which they just finished up. The Arctic Circle Superbird. And this car was at the Aero War reunion, which I was at in 2019. And again, Jennings put lots of mileage on this car, driving it around. And for a Superbird, it's pretty unique in that regard. Again, alpine white, black bucket seats. Automatic. It's been driven the furthest north, south, and west to Alaska and Key West, Florida. So, again, cool piece. And Bob also has this car, which Magnum did not do, but wanted to have on display with the debut of the white car. And this is a car that Bob Jennings has put together as a sort of a what-if Superbird, but I think everybody agree it looks pretty cool with that six-pack scoop added on, the air grabber scoop. And got a PIC award certificate from the Chicago Music Exchange. Again, 440 in the back. This car is a pistol grip 4-speed, bucket seats. Looks like it's got a tack in the dash. And of course, Superbird, it was not offered in black, but we think this will make an exception for this one here. Two other cars that were brought in from the Magnum people is this Mr. Norm's package car. Again, this is from 1970, obviously. And the owner's name is Dave Arnett. And looking inside, what we've got is we've got a rally dash. We've got a slapstick on the floor, console, bucket seats, black scat stripe, RT emblem, and Mr. Norm's Sports Club decals. We even have a notice here thanking the Mr. Norm's fans from Mr. Norm's daughter. So very cool. And it got the Mr. Norm's Memorial Certificate as well. And the final car in the Magnum booth. It's got an inline tube outstanding restoration award. Is this beautiful 1969 Hemi GTX in black. This car is owned by Henry Lindley. It won the Blue Oval Barn Pick Award. And I'm not sure who the Blue Oval Barn is, but obviously they were impressed enough by it that they gave it that award. And again, another stunning car. And Mark Sekula and his whole crew deserve a lot of kudos for the work they do here. That's Magnum for 2025. Troy Angeli had two cars here within his booth, and they are both part of this amazing group of 1960s and early 70s convertible Hemi B-bodies. Both are owned by Steve Fox. The red car actually is a car that I covered in Mopar Enthusiast magazine back in the very late part of the 2000s, I guess it'd be 2008, 2009. So there's a date on this, but anyway, I wrote this car up. We shot it at what was the big Hemi reunion in West Salem, Ohio. And again, beautiful, beautiful car. At this point, you know, Steve was already chasing these cars. Again, this is a white interior with a 4-speed in-dash tack, and it looks to be an AM 8-track stereo outfit. And the other car is one I helped unveil today. This is Steve's just completed burgundy 1968 Coronet RT, which was one of two cars that came out of Canada. This is the 4-speed car. Chris Jacobs, who was with me when we did this, he looked at a lot of cars, a lot of unveilings, and he gave this his Celebrity Pick Award. Again, you can dig those 15-inch wheels, 5-pan hubcaps, the burgundy paint, and black scat stripes. Wow, cool piece, obviously. Again, black interior with optional headrests. Don't see that too much. And this one has got a 4-speed shifter in it with the console, sport steering wheel, tick-tock tack, and thumb wheel, maybe AM FM radio in it, but quite a car. And again, beautiful debut for this vehicle from this shop this year. All right, and now we're at the finer detail shop. And again, we are looking at a gorgeous black 1969 Daytona, owned by Jim Ryan. Cool car with a red wing, red gut. This one has got a tick-tock tack, AM radio, 4-speed, console delete, headrest, and a leather interior. Very, very nice car. Certainly a deluxe model from back in that time period. The other car is a car I also was involved in unveiling today. This is a 1965 A990 in black that was just recently completed. Jerry Marcari owns this one, and Jerry talked about this video we'll be uploading regarding that unveil later. But again, you can see this is a gorgeous car. He is the 9th owner of it, and he and Eddie Sterlecki and some other people went ahead and just did a great job putting this thing back together. There's the street air cleaner that was used on these cars. If you went drag racing, there was a plate, which is on the motor on this one under the hood, and that would give you the ability to get that fresh air scoop to work. So those are the Mopar shops in this segment of this show, and we'll be back with some more. Look at a couple of cars here with the 5150 guys. So this car was getting a lot of attention, and for obvious reasons. A 71 Hemi Roadrunner in this great color. I mean, just an amazing car. Uncovered in Larkspur, Colorado. 1,300 miles and possibly a dealer demo because it was purchased with 1,300 miles. And it was last driven in 1984. So these guys are digging cars up. Cool stuff. Car's got the fender tag intact. FC7 paint showing as original. Heavy installation showing as factory. So very cool. And they also had this Daytona that's been put back together. The Aussie Daytona. So what makes this so special? Well, check this thing out. This is the only known right-hand drive. You are looking at the way this car is set up, right-hand drive. And, you know, the dash, as you can see the dash, the potting in the dash is in the right location, but it's on the wrong side of the dashboard. And automatic. It has the console, deluxe seating. Yeah, pretty crazy cars here. So those were the major shops that we could find tonight here at MCACN, and we'll start another video up and show you some other stuff. This is Jeff Stunkert. Thanks again.